In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images in Carrd. Carrd is an incredibly versatile platform for creating simple, responsive websites, and knowing how to manage your images can elevate your design significantly. Whether you're structuring a personal portfolio, a landing page, or a creative presentation, being able to position images exactly where you want them is crucial. To start, open your Carrd project and navigate to the Carrd editor. You should see a range of elements including text boxes, buttons, and images that you've added to your project. Let's focus on the image elements specifically. Click on the image you wish to move. You can simply click and hold the image, dragging it to its new position. It's a straightforward click and drag action that feels intuitive, much like moving files around on your computer desktop. As you drag the image, one handy feature of Carrd you'll notice is a green bar that appears. This visual cue helps you understand precisely where your image will land once you release it. It will show whether it will be placed above, below, or to the side of other content. This green bar is incredibly helpful for planning your layout, as it ensures precision and neatness in your formatting. The bar helps you visualize the final look of your page as you go, saving you time on adjustments later. If your design involves placing images next to each other or arranging images alongside other elements, you'll want to make use of the container element. In Carrd, this is an effective tool for grouping items together. To create a side-by-side layout, drag a container element from your component list onto the page, and then set its type to columns. This setting allows you to divide the container into multiple sections, each capable of housing its own element. Simply drag your images into these sections and they will align side by side, offering a polished and organized look without the hassle of manually aligning them. By understanding these elements and utilizing the drag and drop functionality within Carrd, you can dramatically enhance your site's visual appeal. Taking full advantage of the green positioning bar and properly applying container elements for complex layouts will help you achieve a sleek, professional design effortlessly. So go ahead, experiment with moving your images around. Practice these steps to get the hang of it and see how you can transform the look of your site, making it more engaging for your audience. That's all we have for today's tutorial. Stay creative, and until next time, happy designing!